Okay, friends, I am Dr Heena and today for scholarship grade 7 for the math subject, our today's topic is based on unit measuration and the topic name is dimension, measurement of time, coins and currency notes. Okay, so you all know the conversion of the uh, units that 1 kilometer is equal to how much, how many meters or how many centimeters. So there is one formula, khichdi made coming morning. So here this khichdi ka K stands for kilo, 1,000 kilometer or 1,000 kilo. H stands for 100 hecto or hectameter or hectagram or hectoliter, you can say. D stands for decameter, decimeter, deciliter, decagram. Okay, and this M stands for meter, gram, liter. This uh, C stands for centimeter and this M stands for millimeter. Okay, and you all know the conversion that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now if you see here, now see, this is meter ka unit. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? So this centimeters 1 0 and this millimeters 10 is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, like this is unit, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1,000, or you can say like this, you can convert it. Okay, so 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. How? Now see, this is kilometer, 1,000 meter, 1 2 3 places. Okay, so 1,000 meter. Like this you can convert the units into each other. Now this is all the unit for measuring the length. Now to measure the mass of any substance, we use the unit as kilogram, gram, okay, ton, quintal. So conversion is also given to you. And to measure the capacity or to measure the liquid substances, we use the units like milliliter, liter, kiloliter. Okay, so there is a conversion also, that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1,000 liters. Okay, so like this you can convert it. And you all know the time ka conversion also, that in 12 hours how many minutes are there, in 1 minute how many seconds are there. So this is all the conversion, you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, then 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes. Okay, so in 1 hour how many seconds are there? 60 multiplied by 60, so 36,000 or 3,600, 3,600 seconds are there in 1 hour. Now in 1 day there are 24 hours. Okay, so in 1 hour if there is 3,600 seconds, in 1 day how many seconds are there? So 24 multiplied by 3,600. So you have to convert like this, or you can convert like this. You all know this conversion also. Okay, now we will directly go to practice exercise so that we can easily understood the concept. Now in practice exercise 12.1, now 1 kg, the very first question is 1 kg plus 10 gram is equal to how many kilograms? Okay, now see, 1 kg is equal to 1,000 gram and you have to add 10 gram in it. So it becomes, oh sorry, 11 kg is equal to 1100, 11,000 gram, and you have to add 10 gram in it. So it becomes 11,010 gram. Now you have to convert it into the kilogram. So you have to divide it with 1000. So this 30 and this 1, 2, 3 points. So decimal should be added here. So it becomes 11.010. Okay. So like this you can convert it. Now the next one, 40 kg minus 750 gram you have to do. Now you all know that in 1 kilogram there is 1000 gram. Okay. Half kg is equal to 500 gram. Okay. 3 by 4 kg is equal to 750 gram. And 1 by 4 kg is equal to 250 gram. Okay. Now you have to subtract this 750 gram from this 40 kilogram. So what I will do, I will just borrow this 1 kg from this 40. So this 40 becomes 39. And from 1 kg, if we subtract 750 gram, it remains 250 gram. Okay. So 39 kilogram, 39 kg point 250 gram is your answer. Okay, so like this you can convert. Now a rope of length 216 meter is cut in at 5 places at same distance. What is the length of each piece? Now what you have to do here, you have to just divide this 216 with 5. But the length of the piece is given in centimeter, so we have to first convert this into centimeter. So 216 meter is equal to how many centimeter? So we all know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 216 is equal meter is equal to 216 multiplied by 100. So 21,600 meter. Now it is cut into 5 pieces. So divide it with 5. So you will get your answer. Okay. But if you divide it with 5, you will not get your answer correct, because see, this is the rope and it is cut at 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, you can say 5. Now how many pieces of the rope are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we need to divide it with 6, not with the 5. And this is the mistake done by average student, because what is given, cut into 5 places, so we just divide it with 5, but you will get the wrong answer, because when we cut anything into 5 places we got 6 pieces of it. Okay, so we have to divide it with 6, not with the 5. So if we divide this 21600 with 6, what answer you get? 6 3s are 18. 3 will be the remainder, 6 will come down, 3 6 are 36 and this 20. So 3600 centimeter is the length of each piece. Okay. Now if the price of 5 meter length of wire is 80 rupees, then what is the price of 1 decimeter length of wire? Now we have to convert meter into decimeter, and then we can calculate the price of the wire. So you all can do it. Okay. Now 6.02 kilometer minus 9.7 hectagram plus 4.5 decagram is equal to how many decagram? Now see, answer is asked in decagram, so we have to convert all the things into decagram, and then you can do addition subtraction and you will find the answer. Now kilometer to decagram we have to convert first. Kilogram to decagram. Okay, and then this hectogram also we have to convert in decagram, and then we can find the answer. Okay, now the next one. 758,237 centigram is equal to how many hectogram? Now again you have to convert this into hectogram by adding the decimal. Now from centimeters place, hectogram place is how much far you calculate the in between units, and you can give your decimal at the desired point. How you will give, I will show you. Wait a minute. Now see, centigram to hectogram we have to convert, and there are 4 units in between hectogram and centigram. So we have to shift our decimal 4 places from there. So it becomes 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 75.8237 hectogram is your answer. Okay, so this is your answer number 2. Understood? Because in between this centigram and in between hectogram there are 5 units: decigram, gram and decagram. So including centigram also. So centigram ka 1 place, gram ka, decigram ka, and then hectogram. So we have to shift 4 digit or the 4 points from the right to left, because centigram is lesser than hectogram. Okay, now here again kilogram to decagram conversion you have to shift. Okay, so you just shift how many places? So we will shift 1 place, because kilogram and decagram there is 1 unit which is hectogram. So for kilogram to decagram we shift 2 places, 602 it becomes, and this hectogram becomes 97 decagram, because 1 hectogram is equal to 10 decagram. Okay, so you can shift like this. Now you subtract 97 from 602. So if we subtract 97 from 602, our answer will be 505. And now in this 505 decagram we have to add 4.5, so it becomes 509.5. so what will be the answer number 3. Okay, so I hope you understood how to convert it. Now here we had shifted the decimal from left to right, because kilogram is the major unit than decagram. When we shift lesser unit to major unit, we will shift decimal point from right to left. Okay, so by taking these two sums, I hope you understood the things. Now 50 milliliter into 40 is equal to how many hectoliter? Now you have to first multiply, your answer will be in the milliliter. Now after you get your answer, you have to convert it into hectoliter. Okay, so now how you will convert, I will just show you this also. Now see, 50 milliliter into 40. So 50 multiplied by 40 is equal to 2000 milliliter. 2000 milliliter is equal to 2 liter. Now hectoliter, 1 hectoliter is equal to how many liter? 1 hectoliter is equal to 100 liter. Okay, because decaliter and liter are the 2 units in between hectoliter and liter. Okay, so 1 hectoliter is equal to 100 liter. Now we have 2 liters and we have to convert it into hectoliter. So we will divide it by 100. So decimal will be shifted 2 digit from right to left, because liter is smaller unit than hectoliter. So 1 digit and 2 digit and then decimal. So 0.02 is your answer, which is option number 3. Understood? So you can convert anything into any unit by understanding the formula khichdi made coming morning. Just remember this, you can convert anything. Now, what is the ratio of 15 gram and 3 kg? Now, 15 gram and 3 kg, 15 gram upon 3000 gram. Now, 15 ones are 15 and 15 twos are 30. So, 1 has to 200 is the ratio. It is very simple one. How many poles can be erected over the length of 50 meter if the distance between two consecutive poles is 2 meter? Now, see, 50-meter long distance is there or pole is there, and sorry, 50-meter long distance is there and there are pole in between, and in between two pole there is a distance of 2 meter. So first we have to calculate how many segments can be formed in between these 50 meters. So how you will form, how you will calculate 50 divided by 2, because the both unit are same. So 25 is your answer. Okay. Now, is it the 25 poles are there in between these 50-meter long distance? No, because one pole is there at another end also. So there are 26 poles. Okay. So in this way you can calculate. Now the next one, 9 meter square is equal to how many centimeters square? So I think you can do it easily. So try to solve it. Now the next one, how many saplings are planted on both the sides of 3 kilometer long road if the distance between two saplings is 10 meter? Now again here same thing is there. Now 3 kilometer means 3000 meter long road is there. Distance between two saplings is 10 meter. So divide this 3000 with 10. So 300 you get as an answer. But actual saplings are 301, because the last end wala also we have to calculate. So it is on one side of road and we want the saplings from both the side of road. So 301 plus 301 is equal to 602. So total 602 saplings we plant in between the road. Okay. Now how many liters of water will flow through the tap in 2.5 hours if 25 ml water flows through it in 1 second? Now you have to convert this 2.5 hours into second. So 2 hours is equal to how many seconds? So we had just calculated that 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay. So 2 hours is equal to 7200 seconds, because 36 twos are 72, and half hour is equal to 1800 seconds. So together it becomes 9000 seconds. Now 25 ml water flows in 1 second. So in 9000 seconds how much water will flow? So divide this 9000 by 25. 25 3s are 75. 15 will be the remainder, 0 will come down, 25 6 are 150 and this 0. So 360. One minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 minute is equal to 60 into 60, 36. 36 plus 36, 72. 72 plus 18, 90. 900. 9000. 0 plus 0. 0. वो तो हो गया 9000 second. 25 ml water flows through it in 1 second. So in 9,000 seconds, 360 liter ml of water flows. I'll just check this. तो गड़बड़ है 2 to 5%. Okay, you also try. I will also check it once. Then we will discuss on it. Okay. Now the next one, number of notes 2,000 rupees deposited in bank by Amar is equal to the number of notes of 1,000 and 200 deposited in the bank. The total amount deposited in the bank is 16,000. So find the total number of notes deposited in the bank. Now see, number of notes deposited in all means designation like 2,000, 1,000, 200 are in equal number. So we will assume that number as x. So 2,000 x plus 1,000 x plus 200 x is equal to 16,000 means 16,000. So it becomes 3,200 x is equal to 16,000. This 0 from both sides will get cancelled. Now divide this 160 with 32, you will get the value of x. So if we divide this 160 with 32, we will get the value as 5, because 32 5s are 160. So 5 notes of 2,000, 5 notes of 1,000 and 5 notes of 200 deposited in the bank. Now they had asked you find the total number of notes deposited. So total number of notes become 15. Understood? Because 1,000 ka 5, 2,000 ka 5 and 200 ka 5. So together it becomes 15. Now again you have to convert this and you can find the answer. When 30 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 2 is there, it is like 30 divided by 100 means 0.3 kg. Okay, so first convert everything. Now this is kg, you have to convert it in grams, so it becomes 0.3 kg means 300 gram. Now this you can convert in the gram like 650 gram, and this also you have to convert in gram, and then you solve it. Or this gram you should convert in the kilogram, because answer is given in the kilogram only. Okay, so in this way you all can try the remaining sum. Only 2 sums are remaining, and the next practice exercise is also based on time and calendar, which we will take after sometime in the next lecture. Till then you try to solve the problems.